I love how they support us. I love how they'll go out of their way to take care of us. They will, if we need something quickly, they're on it, and they're out, it's shipped, it's ready to go.
I would say that they have exemplary performance.
When we need something, they're there. When we ask a question, we get an answer. When we need a new product to be developed, they're there for us.
They're very easy to deal with. They're always a phone call away. Even if I call after hours, nights, weekends, I can always seem to get somebody if I need them.
I needed my parts ASAP, and they jumped through hoops and made it happen for me.
The door business is almost as bad as, in some instances, the roofing business. But Arrow is not. I mean, they're honorable. They say what they're going to do, and they do it.
They do what we want, and their prices are awesome.
They've gone out of their way to create products that we have a need for, our customers have a need for, and they support that. And they've gone in numerous ways, they've gone out of their way to do that stuff and taken the energy and research to make it right.
Product quality, there's not a better one in the industry, in my opinion.
The quality of the product is the reason I buy from Arrow Tru-Line.
We in South Florida are very specific with the wind loading and that we do down there. So when we first started the store, I realized that we needed bigger springs than the common across the country. So I called up and we went back and forth a little bit and re-engineered some of them, and they were more than helpful and giving me what I needed down there.
We do 2 different thicknesses of doors, and they've been able to adjust things, adjust the hardware boxes that fit better with one or the other. It's been really, really great.
We needed a new setup for a door, a flag bracket for carriage doors that we built, and they came through for us.
The drums that they created for us cut down on the callbacks, cut down on what the customers had to deal with. I mean, the less time the customer has to call us out there, the better for them. And that product was innovative. They did the mold, they did all the work on it, research, and created something that has worked very well for us.
We can always count on the product. It's delivered on time, it's accurate. We don't have to double check behind them. It's always good the first time.
Yeah, at the time I think that the biggest springs that we were doing in powder coating were 273s, and now we do the 283s and 295s, and that's something that was done directly through ATL, and they're more than willing to help.
Innovative in the way that they bring quality products to the market, innovative in the way that they powder coat springs. That's is what I consider innovation in this industry. And they lead the pack on that as well. Others try to replicate what they do, but they fall short.
We use Arrow Tru-Line when we buy our products because everything has to be exact. Because if it is out of spec even by just a little bit, it throws our product all off.
We look at the 13 ball, the precision rollers, we look at the powder coated springs. You obviously make a drum just for us. That's probably the best drum I've ever seen in my 34 years in the industry.
We've been using them for close to about 12 years now. And what we get is solid, it's great for our customers, it works out well for them because they don't have to be changing product out quickly. And they've stood behind it, which has been awesome.
Anytime I place my orders, as long as I do it in a timely manner, I always get it delivered to me in a timely manner. Most of the time I get it before the estimated delivery and ship date.
Delivery, I could say they've pulled me out of a couple of jams.
They put their stuff together the way we want it, and we get it in a quick manner out of their DCs, and the DCs have always been right on top of it for us and helped all the time. There's something missing or there's a problem, they're on it and they cover us.
They were very accommodating. They packaged it the way we wanted it packaged so that it would work well for our warehouse system.
They're able to get material out, within a few days to me, and a lot of material. So they even stock some material on the floor for me so I can pull it as I need it in large quantities.
They do a wonderful job of packaging. We don't get damaged. The items are complete. We don't get shortages. Everything is wonderful with the delivery.